Okay, the next function is the traverse function. Okay, this function is to display the double linked list. Okay, this either you can do the display of the double linked list either from the left to right or from the right to left. Left to right is in the forward direction and right to left is in the reverse direction, that is backward direction. Okay, here we given the traversing of left to right. So we started from the starting address, start node address, and we are moving up to the temp is not equals to null and display the data of the temp node and move the node from the current node to the right side. That is, we are moving from the first node to next node. So it, like this, it moves from the one node to another node and displays the each and every node data. Say if you require from the right to left, okay, then first you need to move to the last node, and from the last node, then you need to repeat the loop until the uh, left is not equals to null, and you need to display the one by one node values from the right node to starting node. Okay, you just try out this. Okay, right to left traversing, try this. Okay, and next there is a function to display the menu. Okay, menu is just the options which we have to select to execute the program. So here we select taking a variable as ch, and here we have the options are first one is create, next is insert at the begin and end and middle, and delete at the node begin, last and middle. And next traversing is here I given the two options, traverse from left to right and right to left. I given the code for left to right, you need to try for the right to left. Okay, so try this right to left traversing, try this and execute or just convert the same traversing function, copy and paste and convert it and do the practice. And next you need to do one more thing, that is the count the number of nodes in the linked list. Okay, this also you need to do. Okay, these two options you need to complete and execute. Okay, I just given up to the 8, up to the traversing of left to right only. These two you need to complete. Okay, 11th is the exit. Enter your choice, take the choice and return the choice. Okay, this function, this menu function we are calling in the main. Okay, this is our main function. ch is for the choice, n is for the number of nodes, while 1. Okay, this is infinite loop. Until unless you are not selecting the exit, it repeats the loop and takes the one every time the option from the menu and displays in the executes the code related to the option. So we are calling the menu function. Okay, it displays the menu and you'll be give the some option, and that option is the ch. And if the ch is the one, okay, if it is one, then you'll be selected the you'll be given that some number of nodes, enter the number of nodes to create, and you'll give the some n value, say some 2 or 3, and then it calls the function create list. Create list is function is called with the n value, and it asks for the data for the each and every node. You'll be give the data and that creates the linked list. Okay, finally you get a message as list created. Break. Then case 2, the second option. If the choice is the 2, then it calls the insert begin function. Break. If the choice is 3, it calls the insert end function. Break. If the choice is 4, then it calls the insert middle function. Break. If the choice is 5, it calls the delete begin. If it is 6, delete end is called. If it is 7, delete middle is called. Okay. If it is 8, it calls the traverse function. Okay. After the 9 and 10, you need to complete. Okay. Remember that. If it is 11, then exit. Okay. Close the brackets. And getch, this is only executed in the Windows operating systems. If it is the Ubuntu, you need not to write this getch. Getch is it waits until unless you just press the any key on the keyboard. Okay, whenever you press the key on the keyboard, then only it returns back, exits from the program. Okay, okay, it's not compulsory. You can skip it also. Okay, now we'll execute this program. Okay, say this. Okay, here this is output screen. So we are getting all the options from the menu. Create first option to the 11th option, that is exit. Okay, now we need to give the choice. Say 1 is the choice. Enter the number of nodes to create. I'm giving it as the 3. Enter the data, that is for the first node the data 10. For the second node the data is 20. For the third node the data is 30. Now the list is created. Press any key on the keyboard. Next it shows the again the menu. Create, insert and others. Now I will take a choice of 8. That is I want to see the my list. 8. Okay, it shows the 10, 20, 30. The list is created with the 10, 20, 30 values. Okay, now we'll take another option. So again we'll get the menu. Okay, menu. Next take the second option to insert a node at the begin. Okay, enter the some data 8. Okay, so now we'll again see the node how it is created, the list how it is created. 8 option. Okay. So it shows the 8 is created. That is our new node data that we given to insert at the begin is the 8. So that is added at the begin. Then our nodes are 10, 20, 30. Okay. Next, again get the menu. Then we will try to insert at the middle. Okay, 4 option. Okay, and give the position. Say for example 2. 2 is the position. Enter the data. Say for example 25. Okay, a node is added. Then we will see the whether it is properly added or not. 2 position, the node is added as the 25. Okay, 1, 2. After the 2, it added a value. Okay, so it is added the new node after the second position. Okay, or it may be treated as 0, 1, 2. 2 position, the new value is added. Next. Next, we'll try for deleting of a node. Say 5. Delete the node from the beginning. Node is deleted. Then check whether the node is properly deleted or not. Sorry. Check the node is properly deleted or not. 8. So the starting node is 8 actually, that is deleted, and we have remaining nodes are 10, 25, 30 and 20, 30. Okay. Now we'll do the another one is delete the node from the last. Okay, the option is 6. Okay, node is deleted. Check whether it is properly deleted or not. 30 is deleted. Okay, so next we'll go for the next another option, delete from the middle. Okay, say option is 7. Okay, delete the middle node. Say we'll give the 1. The position 1 node to be deleted. Okay, it's struck out. Okay, it's actually 1 is the starting node, so it may be struck out so that you can give the any other position like 2 or 3. Okay, then it will be deleted. Okay, so and okay, just practice this program and do these two options, complete these two. Okay, and this is the double linked list program. Okay, you just complete this execution of the program and note down this program in your notes, and also in the lab manual note down this program, that is lab notes. Okay, and also complete your record with the executed outputs. Okay, you can write your executed output of this program, or you can write the which is already available in the lab manual.